In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ExpressVPN when the app keeps disconnecting. If ExpressVPN keeps dropping the connection, switching itself into a reconnecting loop, or blocking your internet after a disconnect, the issue is usually caused by one of three things: a VPN protocol conflict, strict battery or power management settings, or corrupted network cache data. The good news is that these problems are usually straightforward to fix, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each solution clearly. First, switch the VPN protocol to Lightway UDP. By default, ExpressVPN often uses an automatic protocol setting, which sounds convenient, but in some cases that automatic choice can run into trouble with certain internet providers, routers, or network restrictions. Lightway UDP is designed to be fast, lightweight, and more stable, especially when dealing with blocked or throttled traffic. On Windows or Mac, open the ExpressVPN app and bring it to the front. Click the menu icon with the three horizontal lines in the top corner, then open Options on Windows or Preferences on Mac. From there, go to the Protocol tab and change the setting from Automatic to Lightway UDP. Save the change, then return to the main screen. On Android or iPhone, open the app and go to the Profile or Options area. Tap Settings, then VPN Protocol, and select Lightway UDP. After that, go back to the main dashboard so the app can reconnect using the new protocol. Next, if you're using a mobile device, check your battery and power settings. This is especially important because many phones try to save battery by limiting apps in the background, and that can interrupt your VPN the moment you lock the screen or switch apps. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, then see All Apps, and select ExpressVPN. Tap Battery or Battery Usage, then change the setting from Optimized to Unrestricted. This allows the app to keep running properly in the background without being force closed by the system. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, then go to General and Background App Refresh. Make sure ExpressVPN is allowed to refresh in the background. Then go to Battery and confirm that low power mode is turned off, since that setting can reduce background activity and interfere with the connection. Finally, clear your system's DNS and network cache if you're on Windows. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and run it as administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Then type netesh winsock reset and press Enter again. This refreshes local network data and can resolve failed VPN handshakes caused by outdated or corrupted cache entries. After completing these steps, reconnect ExpressVPN and test the connection again. In most cases, this will stop the disconnect